Hello everyone. Welcome to Road to Success with Atif. My name is Atif and this channel is about my journey to improve my English and build a successful career in the US logistics industry. Recently I completed a truck dispatching course and now I work to improve my communication skills. I'll upload videos regularly to practice speaking, share what I learned, and at the end of the video I'll give you 10 new words to improve your vocabulary. Today's topic is why communication is important in logistics. The communication is not just important in logistics, it's important in every daily life. Communication is one of the most important skill in logistics industry. A dispatcher communicates with truck drivers, freight brokers and customers every day. Clear communication helps everyone understand the plan and reduce mistakes. For example, if a truck is delayed because of traffic or bad weather, the dispatcher should immediately inform the broker and the customer. This helps them prepare for the delay and builds trust. Good communication also helps solve problems quickly. Sometimes drivers face unexpected issues on the road. A professional dispatcher listens carefully, stays calm, and finds the best solution instead of creating more stress. In my opinion, communication is not just about speaking. It is also about listening, understanding, and responding respectfully. These skills help build strong relationships and make the logistics process smoother and more efficient. Now, before we end this video, let's learn 10 new vocabulary words from today's YouTube video. These words will help you improve your English and communication more confidently. Communication is noun meaning the process of sharing information clearly. For example, good communication helps drivers and dispatcher avoids delay. Dispatcher noun meaning a person who assign loads and communication with drivers. For example, the dispatcher called the drivers with pickup dates. Coordination is noun meaning organizing people and tasks to work together smoothly. For example, good communication between driver and dispatcher saved time. Shipment is noun meaning goods that are being transported. For example, the shipment arrived at the warehouse on time. Delay noun meaning a situation in which something happens later than expected. For example, heavy traffic caused on 2-hour delay. Reliable is adjective meaning someone or something that can be trusted. For example, a reliable driver always updates the dispatcher. Efficiency is noun doing work quickly and correctly without wasting time. For example, clear communication improve efficiency in logistics. Negotiate is verb meaning to discuss and reach on article. For example, the broker negotiated a better rate for the load. Customer satisfaction is noun meaning how happy customers are with the service. For example, on-time deliveries increase customer satisfaction. The next, professional is adjective meaning showing skill, respect. For example, a professional dispatcher stay calm under pressure. Now, it's your turn. Choose one of today's vocabulary words and write your own sentences in the comments section. Keep practicing every day because that's how you improve your English and trust with drivers, carriers in the US logistics. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.